Alright YouTube, here goes my stash video for New Year's. Going into 2024, 4th of July. I still have a lot more shit to pick up, but so far this is what I got. Some new stuff in here. Let's see, we got this case of Master 7s, the 120 series. Let's see. Something looking like, oh, okay. Right there. 7-inch canisters. Look up a video of those. Supposedly these are like the hardest hidden ones. Then for some salutes, got a case of Night Wings. I got Don't Panic as well, but I should have got 2 of these just because, I don't know, I feel like these ones are nicer, but that's just my opinion. Everybody has their own. And then right here we got Solar Max. Oh, somebody's calling me. Solar Max 100 shot. This one's pretty dope. It's a fan cake. Spreads pretty wide. I kind of want to get 2 of these and then do them like 10 feet apart or 20 feet apart from each other, and then fill up like a big ass portion of the sky for New Year's. That'd be pretty dope. Then right here we got the big deal. I honestly only got this cake because I don't know if y'all know who Will Jeezy is, but I seen him light this cake off like a long time ago, and it just made me want this cake. So I was like, when I had a chance to grab it, I was like, fuck it, might as well. And then Golden Rabbit. This is a 100 shot cake, connector cake. You just connect these fuses together, and then bam, light it right there. Then you got your 100 shot cake. Or I think it's like 104 shot actually. And then we got God's Wrath. This is a 400 shot. 400 shot salute cake. This is a 3-1. 3-1. Also a connector cake. Seems like all the cakes now are connector cakes. Like it says 1-3, but you can turn it into 1-1. And then I got Master Party. Show y'all boys. 218 shot. I like this cake. This is nice, super nice. I got 3 of these, so I might pick up more. I don't even know. But this is super dope. I like this one. And then got this King Rodent. Got the little rat on there. Seems like all the cakes are like this, where you have to connect them now. Guessing for legal reasons, I don't know. But got another Master Party right there. Got Avalanche. Avalanche is pretty cool. I like this one. I like this one because it's super long. It's like almost 3 minutes. Super slow, but it'll be something cool to like light off and have like a whole little show. This is Avalanche. Has the same wrap as God's Wrath. Pretty dope. Look this one up. Got that What's Up Doc. This one's pretty dope. I don't know if it's a fan cake because these are like spread to the side on both sides. I don't know if y'all can see that, but Looks red. This one's badass. Then got Donald Trump by Thunderstar. And then these are the Don't Panics. Case of Don't Panics right there. And then this is another case of Don't Panics, but got miscellaneous stuff. Got Nightwings. And these Porkies. I wonder which one's better, Porky or Don't Panic. And then, last but not least, this one's new, I think, for this year. Got 2 of those. But this one's awesome, how it's like wrapped up. Open it like that. Feel like you're opening up a new pair of shoes or something. And then bam. I think it's a 360 shot. Fan cake. Super dope. But the boards are like super small. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. Little babies. But y'all let me know what y'all think of the stash. This year's gonna be a good year. I mean, next year's gonna be a good year for the Ford. New Year's is gonna be badass. Let's go. Y'all show me y'all stash for New Year's.